Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we'll be doing a quick sketch of a foot and just to check out the basic anatomy behind it. So if you have your pencil ready, let us put in a very small arc, very thin arcs or lines like so. So you could just go about like it's just like a golf club. But from here on, of course, we will be expanding on this. So it's actually easier than you think. So as long as you have the shin coming down there, heels, the ankles, that is the heel right there. And then we come forward and finish off here first to start off. And then we go along like so. And then along the golf club, we will try to touch base here. So to do this, I'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, preferably in that order, like growing larger, because this is the left foot that I am putting down. So we will start off with the toe. Now I do know that every foot has its own character when it comes to the toes, the ankles, the shins. So what we're just doing here is we're putting down a fairly generic and if you think that any of our digits here do not have a use, think again. They were created with a purpose, and somebody who lost even what you call the pinky toe explained how he felt a certain loss of balance every day in his life, and he had to cover that with extra layers of socks, or so he had to add some things to make up for it. So every one of these components of the foot has its own function. It's important, but more emphasis today we are putting on drawing this basic anatomy. So that is the generic anatomy of the foot. Now you could have the toes like flatter, wider, with the toe these lines more evident in certain feet and not so in other feet. So I'm just putting them down, and then of course according to the light or the shadows that you're working with, you could put down some shading along those lines. And again, if it's not perfect, that is fine, because after all we are doing a quick sketch here and not exactly a fine art project. But in a fine art project you will take more time and delve into it a little deeper, check out different feet from different angles and see how the anatomy actually differs. So I have a light source that is somewhere like that, so it's darker in these areas, lighter in those. I'll put some crosshatch right here, just going up, although this was not really the purpose, but I'm just adding that in just for some additional clarity. So there we have it, a quick study of the or a quick sketch of the anatomy of a foot down, please do Google lots of images and keep practicing. Have fun. Thank you very much for being with us. Please do subscribe. Keep in touch. Have yourself a wonderful day.